guys, welcome back to my channel. This week's video is going to be what we eat in a day, mommy and baby edition, also vegan edition. We are not actually vegan. I do love vegan food, so I wanted to show you guys some of my favorites. And ever since I started feeding Cove solids and food and stuff, I get a ton of questions about how we do it, how it works, because we do baby led weaning with her. So basically she eats like big soft pieces of whatever foods we're eating instead of like purees and stuff that we have to spoon feed her. So it's really great because she feeds herself. She gets to try out a ton of different foods. We are super excited to show you guys what we eat in a day. Everything's gonna be healthy and good because yesterday I ate a lot of candy. I had nachos for dinner, and today I just definitely want to be eating very clean and healthy. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, okay. Hello. Say subscribe. Say subscribe to my mommy. Say good morning. It's actually about nap time. Usually we eat breakfast at 9:30, and right now it is 10, and she usually goes down for a nap at 10. So going to make us some breakfast really quick. So let's go ahead and get started.
You say goodbye, luck.
Okay, so for breakfast we are having my #1 go-to, which is oatmeal. I have this most days of the week. Super easy, healthy, really quick. So I have everything prepared. I have my water boiling. Obviously this is like not really like a recipe or anything, but I didn't want to be like too fancy with every single thing I'm showing you guys because this is what we actually eat every day. We keep it pretty simple for breakfast.
I'm delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know.
Okay, so our breakfast is finished, and I wanted to show you guys Cove's little high chair setup over here. So this is the IKEA high chair. It is amazing because it's literally like $20. Normally the legs are silver, but I just got this contact paper on Amazon for like $5. And then this footrest and this little silicone placemat and the chair cover are all from Yeah Baby Goods. We just put this on here, and then after she's done, obviously this is like a big mess, so you just take it off and it's super easy. I also have a bunch of these chair covers because they get dirty so quick. So we take these off pretty much like every day and wash them. After she eats breakfast, I'll probably take this off and swap it with a new one. This setup is amazing and super cheap, so I totally recommend it. And then we also have these bibs. These are the best because again, they're really easy to clean with this material. It also has the pocket, so her food will like catch in here so it doesn't all just get wasted and like go on the floor.
Delusional, you say.
Here is her little setup. So she's got her oatmeal, she has some strawberries, and I mixed peanut butter in here. This is one of the allergens you're supposed to give babies. Our doctor said to make sure we're giving her like peanut butter and eggs and stuff when she's about 6 months. Make sure she doesn't develop an allergy. So she has this little spoon. I actually get a lot of questions every time we show this spoon. It comes in like a 2-piece little like set thing. So I will link this down below for you guys. I'll usually start by giving her a few bites, and then she kind of just takes over and figures it out. And then I have my oatmeal right here, so we're gonna sit and eat breakfast together. So I finished my bowl. Kobe's about done with hers. She actually ate a good amount. Good job, baby. We also usually take off her clothes and have her just in a diaper to eat, but I was like, no, it's fine. And then she has strawberry juice like all over this outfit, which is like my favorite outfit of hers. So hopefully that comes out, but you did really good. Let's show them in your bib. Oh, you still eating? She usually will drop her spoon at some point, so she's just eating with her hands now. You can see in here. Oh, you can't have the camera with those hands. You got a couple strawberries in there. Oh, can you hold it? Good job. My hand is covered in oatmeal now, but I was going to show you guys this little cup that we have for her. Want some water? Hold on. Here. Can you use 2 hands? 2 hands. Oh, good job. Good job. Good job. It's been fun over the weeks to watch her like get so much better at picking stuff up. That was so good. It's like a slippery, slimy strawberry that she just picked up. Alright, so it is now lunchtime. It's actually past lunchtime and I am so hungry. It's like 12:55. Usually we eat around 12:30. We're both in different outfits because she got strawberries and stuff all over hers, and I've been shooting pictures for my clothing store. This outfit is from there. I will link it down below. Anyways, for lunch, 90% of the time, I would say most days, especially weekdays, I eat leftovers from the dinner that I had the night before. Anytime that I'm actually taking the time to like cook dinner, I want to make sure that I'm making enough for lunch the next day because it's so much easier to just eat those leftovers rather than have to cook like a whole new meal. But like I said, I want this video to like give you guys ideas of what to eat, so I didn't want to just show myself eating leftovers because that's like boring. And there's also only enough for one bowl. So Parker's gonna eat that for lunch. It's leftover soup. So I've shown how to make it on my vlog channel a million times. It's like lentils, potatoes, quinoa, veggie broth, spices, throw it in a pot, cook it till everything's done, and it's really easy. So that's what Parker's gonna eat. But I'm going to make, I'll show you guys what I'm gonna make. So everything is out. Here's the soup that Parker's gonna eat. So I'll put this in a bowl for him and heat it up. And then I have some broccoli that I'm going to use. I need to eat this before it goes bad. This is also one of Cove's favorite foods. She's like obsessed with broccoli. And then I also have these vegetable spring rolls. These are super, super yummy. Then I have this cauliflower rice stir fry that I got from Trader Joe's. It's super yummy, really easy to cook. So it comes in these little like individual packs. So I'm gonna share this with Covey and then give her some broccoli as well. So lunch is ready. This is a really quick, easy one.
It tastes really good. How are the spring rolls? Is that your first time doing them in that little oven thing?
No, I make them in that every time. If you don't have a toaster oven, you should get one. It's so nice because it heats up so fast. But Parker ate that soup and then there's still a lot of extra. So Cove has her little bowl. She hasn't actually had this before, so that's why I like to give her what I eat because she gets to try a lot of different stuff. She has her little spoon. Probably not the best one because it has holes in it, but it will work, huh? Do you want to bite? Oh, you want to do it yourself? Okay. Good job. I also cut her up some banana to eat.
You're free.
Okay, so it is now dinner time, and I always get excited for dinner because this is where I actually try to like cook something. I take the time to make a nice meal. I usually actually don't really snack between lunch or dinner. I did have some Twizzlers today because we have these, and if we have them, I'm gonna eat them. I usually am like a snacker, but in the afternoon, Cove takes her main like long nap of the day from 2 to 4. So during that time is when I'm just trying to like be really productive and get a lot of stuff done. So I feel like I don't really like snack that much in between lunch and dinner. Saved my Twizzler though. The last one to show me eating it. But if I do snack, I usually will have like some little mini oranges, which I pretty much always have after dinner, so I'm sure I'll show you guys those. But anyways, I'm very excited to show you guys this dinner. I actually showed it on my vlog channel the other day. It is like the best thing ever. So usually for dinner, I like to go on Pinterest and find something yummy. So today we are making vegan buffalo chickpea quesadillas. These are so good. We've only made them one other time, so this is the second time, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So I'm gonna have the recipe for this linked down below. I'm gonna have to give Cove something else though because it's buffalo chickpeas that go in the quesadilla, so it's really spicy. The first thing I did is I have my water over here boiling so that my cashews can soften up in there. A lot of like vegan cheese recipes call for cashews in them. You like boil them so that they're soft, and then they blend up so nicely. And so this recipe actually says boil them for like an hour. I only did it for like 10 minutes last time and they blended up just fine. So my water's about to boil and I'm going to put those in. I'm gonna get out everything that I need.
And my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'm so in love, let's go for gold.
Okay, so I followed the Mexican cheese sauce recipe and now I'm doing the buffalo chickpea filling. So have these in the bowl. I need to mix my hot sauce into here and basically just follow the rest of these instructions to get the second part made.
Dream I won't deny. I'm so in love, let's go for gold. Yeah, let's go for gold.
Okay, so while this is cooking, Parker's just putting the cheese sauce in a little Tupperware because there's gonna be extra so we can put it in the fridge. And these are the tortillas that I like to get. These ones are uncooked, and it's nice because they only have like a few ingredients, so they're a lot better than like the normal ones because they have way more ingredients. So you just stick this in the pan. Are you just hanging out, sis? Usually she is sitting right here in her little bumbo, hanging out and watching us make dinner.
Let's see what you can do. You think you're so damn smooth.
Okay, the quesadilla is done and it looks so good. I have some vegan sour cream to dip it in because it is really, really spicy. The recipe said to use 4 tablespoons of hot sauce, but I used like 2. We learned from the last time it was too spicy. And it also says to use 1 whole onion, and we used like a quarter of one because last time it was too oniony. So good. So I'm eating mine. Parker is putting some cauliflower in the microwave for Cobe to steam it. She actually hasn't had cauliflower, but like I said, this is just too spicy for her to eat. So I saved some chickpeas for her. So she's gonna have chickpeas, cauliflower. I'll give her some of the cheese sauce to dip it in, and then some raspberries and blueberries. Oh my goodness, you are so starving. Trying to eat your bib. Here's some berries. She likes blueberries. She likes raspberries. Oh, hold on, I gotta smash them. Well, that one's okay. I usually just smash these for her so they're not too big and round. Parker's also getting her chickpeas. You love chickpeas. So we just like smash those too so she can pick up the little pieces. Gonna get you a little scoop of cheese sauce. And we have some cauliflower. You can dip it. You want to? Good job. First bite.
So tired of them guys thinking
You ate so much. Good job. Do you want water? 2 hands. 2 hands. Good job. Good job. Are you all done? All done? You want to get out?
I know you're disappointed that I continue out.
Okay, so it is now 8:08 p.m. Cobe is in bed, and I usually like to have a little snack after she is asleep. So I either have some little mini oranges, or lately I have been on a strawberries and Cool Whip kick. I found this True Whip. It is so good. Dip it in. Here's the snack. I'll probably finish like this whole thing. But that is everything that I ate today. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching. Also, I'll answer the most frequently asked question. I'm trying to think of what questions I get asked about like eating or Cobe eating. A lot of people ask if she still breastfeeds, and she still does for like the same amount of like milk that she had before she started eating solids. I feed her usually 5 times a day. If she wants to eat more, then like obviously I will let her eat more. But usually it's like 5 times a day. So I feed her when she wakes up at like 7:30, and then she goes down for a nap, and then she eats again at 11:30, which is kind of like a big gap. Usually you feed your baby every like 2.5 to 3.5 hours, and that's 4 hours, but she does eat breakfast in between that, and so she is fine. Then I feed her when she wakes up from her first nap, and then before her second nap, and then after her second nap, and then before bed. So it's like 5 times a day. So she's still eating the same amount, or still like drinking the same amount of breast milk. And also people always ask, how am I not afraid of her choking when she's eating like big pieces of solid food? There's a difference between choking and gagging. The class that I took to learn all of my baby lead weaning stuff was the Feeding Littles class. Their Instagram is just Feeding Littles, and they have a little course that was really helpful. I definitely recommend that if anyone wants to do this, that you take that class because it gives you like all the info. Cobe will like gag sometimes, but she's never actually like choked. Like choking is when they actually can't breathe, and if they're gagging, they're kind of just like figuring out how to eat and stuff. So we never ever leave her if she's eating. We're always like sitting right next to her, making sure that she's okay, she's not gagging or choking or whatever. But she honestly doesn't gag like that much. Of course it's like scary, but she is fine. She'll like gag for a second and then like spit out the piece of food that was too big for her or whatever. It hasn't really been too scary, luckily. But yeah, those are like the most frequently asked questions that I get. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see another one. That is all for this week, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.